Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create 25 pieces of social media content in mere minutes utilizing ChatGPT and Canva. So please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump into it. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to do is go into ChatGPT and prompt it. Please create a list of 25 tips for first-time home buyers, or whatever your niche is. And as you can see, ChatGPT quickly spits out 25 different first-time homebuyer tips. All right, now we're going to highlight all of these tips and copy them. Then we're going to jump into an Excel spreadsheet. I just use Google Sheets. Go in the first cell there and paste it all in there. You can see all of our 25 tips. I'm going to name this spreadsheet. I'm going to go to File, Download as a CSV. All right, now we're going to jump into Canva, Create, Instagram Post. Canva has a bajillion different templates that you can just utilize. Of course, you can create your own, but for the sake of time in this example, I'm just going to pick this one. Of course, you can add your branding, your brand colors, make it the style that you want it. So my goal here is to replace the main text here on this image with a home buying tip. So I'm going to go to Apps, Bulk Create, Upload File, and I'm going to pull in that CSV file that I just created. I'm going to tell Canva where I want those tips to go. So I'm highlighting this main text. I'm going to click the three dots here and Connect Data. Then click right here on the first tip. And you can see it pulled in that first tip right here. Now we need to adjust this, so I'm going to change the font size. You can move it around to make it fit exactly how you want it. I'm removing these brackets, and I'm going to remove this piece of text because I just don't need it. Then I'm going to click Continue, and you can see all of the other tips are laid out there. And now, in seconds, look at this. Every single tip is on its own post. You'll need to go through and kind of adjust quickly, like this one right here. I want to move it down a little bit to make it fit. But honestly, that's all it takes. I'm going to name my file, share, download. I like to download as JPEGs and download. Easy breezy. And there it is. It gives you a zip file, and here you go, all 25 pieces of content. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share with a friend. Have an awesome day. Bye.